Hello, we're Perkk. I'm Miles, this is Steph, Guitar Zone Tom. Our app makes your job work for you. Welcome to our demo day.
Hey guys, I'm Charlie. I'm a developer at Facebook, and we're at the end of a Friday. To be honest, I want to go home, but Trevor, our head of HR, has just told me that we've signed up to Perkk, and I'm a bit skeptical. Trevor, I'll be honest, he signed us up 2 months ago to Perkk, and it kind of sucked. So
I completely understand. I think employee benefit is something that a lot of people have struggled with. Normally when you join a firm, they give you a package that makes sense in pounds, and then they tell you all the benefits. You get excited, and then you open the list and you see pension. Who needs pension? Healthcare, like anyone ever gets sick and that stuff. But we actually found this company that we think will be able to give our employees the benefits that they deserve. Like these are stuff that you actually want to have. Have a look.
Nice.
We've actually loaded your profile and set some defaults for you. So use the login details I sent you earlier.
Ah, perfect. So, cool. So this is going to take me to my landing page, I guess.
This is the home page where you're going to get, you'll see some messages from some of our suppliers.
Yeah. Is it normally this quick?
Well, you have to press submit.
Nice. Here we are. Cool. So this is my landing page, I guess. So it's got some information. It's got my nickname there. It's nice to see.
Of course.
And we've got some recommended perks too. So I'm guessing these are all customized, right?
Yeah, we Facebook. It's our job to know what you like. So
yeah.
Already pre-recommended the things that we know for sure you want to have.
Cool. And you said you loaded me up with a profile already.
Look at your profile page, see what you have.
Okay, nice. A weekend of glamping, museum membership, half-price staycation, unicycle course. I'm probably not going to want that, to be honest, because I'm already.
As you proceed with it, you'll see there's so many things you can do. You can configure these benefits, but have a look through it and you'll see. Be able to choose what you want.
I can see a big old QR code as well there.
You're a clever guy. You can guess what it does.
Okay.
It can only do one thing. Right?
Yeah, I'm guessing that's my personal code. So when I turn up to, I don't know, the 10-week web dev course, then I just show them the code, scan it, and it's ready.
Exactly. You don't have to contact the head at all. You just go with the QR code and then you're signed up for the waitlist.
Perfect. Simple. I love it. Okay, but I probably want to have a look into adding the perks because the unicycle course, that's not for me. So I can just go into these categories and what it's going to show me some results. Awesome. So, okay, Ryan, I'm going on holiday soon, so potentially could be interested in that. 3 out of 5, that's pretty standard for Ryanair, I think. And that's the passengers that actually got there. Okay, what else have we got here? Rail card, interesting. Cycle to work.
Rail card, I've seen your government review of them and the weather late. Maybe you might want to add some rail card.
Yeah. Okay, Okay, I'm going to ignore that advice. I'm more interested in food though, okay? So, what have you got on food? Have a look. Uber Eats, interesting, Sketch, Deliveroo, Be Natural. Okay. But who are these hungry guys?
The hungry guys are new kids in the block. As a company, we try and look kindly on the smaller guys, so we thought they need some customers, so throw them in both. So
nice. I mean, great reviews so far. A few users so far. Okay, I'll add this to my package. Okay, nice. So got my discounted takeaway in there from Hunger. That's lush. I'm going to get rid of the unicycle course because I literally never use it.
This app is very simple. You don't like something, there's no application focus, nothing. Drag it out if you don't want to.
Yeah.
Drag it like that.
Okay. On your advice as well, I'll add the rail card to my favorites, just so I can find it later. But for now, let's have a bit of fun. Okay, arts membership. I wanna. Oh dear.
I must say that as a junior employee, we only give you 1,000 tokens. Someone like me, a senior executive, like 5,000. So. But we don't forget that small people look after you. So you can actually use a credit card to buy a token for free.
Yeah, nice. But so if I buy through this, then I get the same discounts that
Exactly. So everything we negotiate for you, as long as you get it to our system, you'll be sorted. All the discounts are there.
Awesome. Okay, so yeah, I mean it was 250, so 300 new tokens would be perfect for me. I'll go ahead and pay. I mean, I'm a bit skeptical about my card details because I'm pretty sure I'm planning on renting clothes and buying boutique farming stuff.
Absolutely. I mean, don't make me much of a habit of adding more content. It's a lot of like great.
But you guys said that I was getting promoted next month.
So next month,
Go wild.
You'll be promoted in the future for sure.
Cool, so this is just going to add straight into my account and I can use those tokens.
Yeah, you can use them whenever you want. You can use them now. I mean, you've got quite a lot of benefits, maybe, time and job once you want.
Yeah, definitely.
It's fast.
Awesome, so I can see I've got more tokens. I love the little effect you've got there.
We're trying to keep our employees engaged. You know how you guys love games and stuff, so we try to make this interactive.
Yeah, awesome. I'm going to lock in those changes, and then, yeah, I'm happy with what I've got. I mean, that web development course, once I've finished that, then I'll be able to get all the perks that I want.
I'm sorry that we put that for you before. Normally we don't make our employees go to courses and employee benefit, but you are one of the ones who's struggling.
Okay. Then I'll help you get that promotion, right?
Hopefully you guys.
Yeah, awesome. Thank you.